Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Fastlane match for code signing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To activate Fastlane match for code signing, you need to start by ensuring that you have Xcode installed on your system. Make sure you have Ruby installed, as Fastlane is a Ruby gem. Open your terminal. Install Fastlane by running the command gem install Fastlane. Once Fastlane is installed, navigate to your project directory using the terminal. Run the command Fastlane match init. This initializes match in your project. Next, choose where you want to store your certificates and profiles. You can use a private Git repository or, if preferred, a cloud service like Google Drive. For this guide, we will use a private Git repository. Create a new Git repository on a service like GitHub or Bitbucket. Copy the repository URL. Now, return to your terminal and configure match to use your repository. Run the command Fastlane match init get your repo URL. Replace your repo URL with the URL of your newly created Git repository. Now, you need to authenticate your access to the repository. If using SSH, ensure your SSH keys are set up correctly. If using HTTPS, you'll need to enter your credentials when prompted. With authentication set, it's time to create your first certificate. Run the command Fastlane match development. This command will create a new development certificate and provisioning profiles for you. You might be prompted for your Apple ID and password. Enter your Apple developer credentials when prompted. Once it's finished, you should see confirmation indicating that the process was successful. To use match, you must add a fast file if it wasn't created earlier. Run the command Fastlane init. Select the option to create a fast file. Now, in your fast file, you can set up lanes for your different build configurations. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.